Hi and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we shall look at how to add pie charts to interpret submissions made in your applications. What I have here is a stock check t-shirt application. I'm going to click on submissions for this. You can see this is the data that I have in my submissions. What I'm going to do is to add a pie chart to this data. Let's click at analytics for now. And you can see that I have already added a pie chart. It's showing me some analysis of the data that's been submitted in the application. Let us go ahead and click on edit application and go for the fourth option, which is analytics. And once I click on the pie chart, you can see at the right, the count of the brands is being displayed. So brand 1 has 15 t-shirts and brand 5 has 15, 3 has 14, 2 has 13 and 4 has 12 t-shirts. Let us go ahead and delete this for now. Once you click on add chart, you will have pie chart as one of your options. Once you click on it, on the right panel, you would have options to name it. I would like to have a chart to display the sizes available. And I'm going to take the aggregation as count. Under aggregation, we have 5 options: sum, count, average, minimum, and maximum. Apart from count, all the other options are dependent on numerical values. As of now, let me select count and I'm going to take the dimension as sizes and click on save. There you go. So this is basically telling me that there is 24 t-shirts of size L, 20 of S, XL 13 and XXL 12. So if I now shift to sum and click, let's say, brand, and I click on save, you can see that I would not have any pie chart displayed here, simply because sum is dependent on the numerical values and brand is not a number. And therefore, the only option that I'll be left with are prices, because all the other data are non-numerical. So once I click on save, so now you can see that it's showing me the sum of the L t-shirts price, S t-shirt price, and XL t-shirt price. What I can also do is to go ahead and click on S. I can click on S, L, and those values will automatically be removed on the pie chart. Let me click on save on this. If I wish to, I can add more pie charts to do more of my analysis. So the first chart was sizes of t-shirts. Now I can go ahead and choose another pie chart and say let us go ahead and click on view app, click on submissions and click on analytics. So now you can see that both of my pie charts are ready and it's displaying the information as per the sum of the prices and sizes of the t-shirts available. Once I click on any one of these options, they get removed from the pie chart, and this is what I get. I could do the same thing here also. If I want to, I can add more filters into this data. So now I can select a filter as a status. I could probably look at how many t-shirts are there in stock. So both my pie charts will get updated with in-stock t-shirts only. Now I could add more filters. In here I could probably choose the brand and say brand 1 and click on apply. So now it's going to show me in stock brand 1 t-shirts. So for brand 1 there is 2 L-shaped L size t-shirts, XL, one of small and one of double XL. A pie chart is a circular statistical graph which is divided into slices to illustrate a numerical proportion. In a pie chart, the arc length of each slide is proportional to the quantity it represents. Let's go ahead and remove the filters from here. Wonderful. In this video, we have looked at how to add pie charts into your application and how to use pie charts to interpret the data that you have. We have also looked at how to use filters and how to use dimensions. And we need to understand that under aggregation, count is dependent on non-numerical and numerical values. However, the other options, which is sum, average, minimum, and maximum, are based on numerical values. That's it for this video. If you have any further questions, you can always chat with us or schedule a call and we would call you back to help you further. Thank you very much for your patience. Goodbye.